Assalamu alaikum, and today we will install Anaconda and how set up Python environment, and we will write the code on that environment and that ID. So first of all, I will install Anaconda from here. Just type this one and just anaconda.com and from here download. So if you click here, it will come like this. Download. In my case, I already downloaded, so I will not do it again. You just click here, then it comes like this. Okay. Once it come like this, you can click here again for installation. Okay. Open or run as administrator. It's up to you. Once it install, you can check. Like this, it comes like this. So I want to launch it, and how to choose, how to select IDs, I will show you. Actually, I don't want to waste too much time the showing whole step, downloading times. It make lot of times waste. Okay, it is already running, so this one, it will come like this. Okay, there is two environment, how to create environment, I will show you in another videos. So now we are using base environment, and here we can use Jupyter Notebook, Spider, VS Code and Python, because these four are very famous among researchers, data scientists and other users. So right now I am using Jupyter Notebook, so just click on launch. Okay, it will appear this window, and you can create your ID like this from here. Just click on new and Python 3 IP kernel. When you click here, it comes like this. Okay, you can write any program, any things here according to your requirement. So if I put plus, then it goes increasing the number of cells, and this is called number of cells, and we can reduce it. Okay, and this is just for taking up these cells to up like this. Okay, I just want to move down, I just want to move up like this. If you want to run, if you write something here, print hello division, like this. Okay, it print, it's run. When you run it, then it comes like this. To run, you can use shortcut shift plus enter. Okay, it also works. It is just interrupt kernel when the program is very huge and big and it is running lot of it take lot of time, then you can interrupt kernel and run again. And this is interrupt kernel, and this is starting from whole. You are restarting whole program. Okay, interrupt means just one cell it stop. If this cell is running, so when you interrupt, then it stop to running. But in kernel, when you start or restart, mean whole program is starting from scratch. So this is the, you can use code mode for code. When you are writing code, then you put it on code mode. And if you are writing some text, for your comment, anything, you can use this too, and for heading you can use this one. I will show you how we can use this one. Okay, and I write some programming here, so I will use these two just for explanation purpose. So here I will show you. Here is another thing. Okay, this is I already made. Okay, so you should to know on first day what is variable, what is constant, what is arithmetic operator, logical operator, and what is data type. Okay, so to write this, I just copy for time saving purpose. Okay, this is not a code, this is just text. So I use raw and big converter, and it will not give error. If I put here code, then it will give error. Okay, so I will put here and big converter or markdown, it's up to you. Then I will create one constant. It is variable. Okay, a is variable and 5 is constant number. B equal to 6, because in a, b we can put anything, but 5 is 5. Okay, 5 is 5, we cannot say 5 7, we cannot do like this. Just for example, we cannot do like this, 5 equal to 7. Okay, because 7 cannot be stored in 5, but 5 can be stored in a, 6 can be stored in a. So this is constant, which cannot be stored, which cannot be saved. Okay, anything, but a and b is variable, which can be stored, which can store anything. If I put 51, it can store 6, it can store 8, anything. So its values can be changed and stored, and variable value can be changed, but constant value cannot be changed. Okay, so this is two variable, a and b, and 8 and 6 is two constant number. So we can use any operation on this. First of all, I just want to print a comma b. Okay, 8 and 6, you can use different way, print one by one, a, print a, and print b separately also. So I put here some arithmetic operations. I just use this one. Okay, just I want to print, then you can see what is the output. Print a minus b. Okay, print a static b, this is multiplication. Print a divide by b. Okay, so like this. Print a, this is mode. Mode means when you divide some number, then how many number you can divide, how you can divide like this. If I put a equal to 12, it should be 2. Okay, 2, like this is also some kind of division. Okay, and let's say a equal to 12.5. Okay, you can just run by this change, run. I'm using short key shift plus enter, or you can use this one also for run. So you can use round. Okay, round means just round it to 2. Here you can round, then it change round, it gives 2, just 2. Okay, if you do not use round, then it gives another after point the values also. So you can use this one, and this all these things are arithmetic operators, you can use anywhere, and all these things are we can use in the coming lectures and tutorials. So here is also logical operator is also same. If I just want to change here, okay, I just copy this one. A is less than or equal to, sorry, A equal to B. This is just output is true or false. False, because A and B are not equal, right? If equal, then let's say 6 equal and true. Okay, so I just want to put some another variable, then print A is less than B. Okay, false, because not less than. A is less than or equal to B, false. Similarly, you can use this one, A is greater than B, true. Yeah, A is greater than B. Okay, so this is sign is greater and equal to, less than or equal to, or equal to. These are all logical operator, and you can use. And one another thing, print A is not equal to B, true. Okay, not equal, this is for not equal. You can use multiple variable. Here I use just A and B. You can use C, D, many multiple variables. C equal to 4. Okay, you can proceed like this. And the another thing is there is data type. We have data type integer, float, and string. Okay, I think I need to do this binary converter, string and character. So integer is just 2 like this, 3 integer. Okay, print type 2, this is integer. Okay, you can check. If I put 2.3, this is float. Points mean float. Okay, string means okay, this is string. When you put this in quotation mark like this, quotations, you can write anything. Hello, everything is a string. And character is just A, but it also print as a string. Okay, you can say this is character, and string is almost same, because number combine of many characters, it gives string. This is character, B is character, C is character, so it gives string combined. So all these things are, you can do any kind of arithmetic operation, logical operation, You can data type, data casting. Data casting we will discuss it, how we can convert one data type to another data type, and different kind of variable and constant you can use. So all these things are very basic, and this very first day or second day tutorial. So you can see how these things we can use in next step to process our program, to solve our different kind of problem. So thank you for watching, and today it's I think it's enough, and please subscribe.